that dude right there about lost it.
Snowing?
Yeah, well, it's blowing snow. It's not snowing. Well, it might be snowing. But that silver car come flying around us, and I guess he didn't see the car in front of us, and he hit his brakes. And when he hit his brakes, he started fishtailing big time. We are in the heart of it. We're doing 30 miles per hour. He didn't wreck, but I said he didn't wreck, but I guess he had to stop and gather his bearings back up after that. All right, and this is our first official snow like this. Take it slow and easy. Shouldn't be much more. We should be about to come out of it, I think.
God.
Yeah. It got bad. This is the worst that it's been. I'll put my visor back down though, because that sun is blinding in this snow. Like I said, we're still, well, we're in Heber City, Utah right now. We just come out of Fairview. There's nothing wrong with driving slow in the snow. Nothing at all. There's another one that went off. They're still in their car. They're probably doing the same thing, trying to fly around somebody and then touch their brake. And that's all it takes when you touch that brake. I do believe we got our live stream back up and running. I don't know what it looks like. I don't know how it looks, but it may be real grainy and pixely, but it might be showing up pretty good. I don't know. I got to turn on some defrost here. And we don't care if them cars behind us like the speed that we're going. That's just their toughness. Sorry, live stream. I had my microphone down on my leg. Sorry about that. I believe maybe y'all could still hear me, if you can hear me at all. Anyway, I don't know. I can't tell if it's even running or not. That's how bright the snow's reflecting, or the sun's reflecting off the snow. But now it says we're back in Fairview. We don't want that Jake brake on full blast neither, going through like that, Because what happens when your Jake brakes on full blast, you don't really need it on at all, is what I have always been told. But if you got it on full blast, what happens is it instantly starts slowing your tractor down, but does not start slowing your trailer down, which causes jackknives and what the car in front of us done a minute ago. So you don't want that Jake brake on full power going through stuff like that. Because when we fishtail, we jackknife, or end up jackknifing. And I hope you enjoyed the ride through the snow with the GoPro. We will have it uploaded at a later date. And if you're watching this GoPro, we might have a live going. Stop in and check us out. Thanks for watching.